Man, I need to rest.
Oh, son.
Yes, Mom?
Come here real quick.
Yeah, Mom, what'd you need? Yeah, can you make me a Hot Pocket, please? I've been working all night last night and my back is hurting me. Please? Yeah, sure thing. Alright, here you go, Mom.
Thank you. Hold up. Why is the plate hot like the sun and the Hot Pocket's cold like Alaska? Did you even do what I said?
Yeah, just warm your Hot Pocket up. See, this is why I can't ask you to do anything. Like, come on, bro.
Son!
Yes, Mom.
Get back over here.
Did I tell you can leave? Now make me another one. Okay, Mom. Think so.